Hey, I heard about Colleen. What do you think's gonna happen now?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe Miss Bradley will announce something during the production meeting.
Yeah, I bet she found some other senior to take her place. I mean, how else is she gonna finish the show? Unless
what?
Unless you design the show by yourself.
Oh, no. I doubt Miss Bradley would put all of that on me. I've never even designed a costume before.
Well, let's face it, you have a knack for it, and everyone else on the production team agrees.
I don't know. I think your first guess is probably right. Someone who is good at art and has more experience than me will probably come in, right?
Well, I guess you're about to find out now.
Hey, Bernie, can I speak with you for a moment?
Sure, of course.
I got an email from Colleen this morning. She told me that she quits the play and no longer wants to design the costumes.
Oh, I'm so sorry. That was partially my fault. I mean, I told her to create new designs, but she didn't like that.
Yeah, no, it's not your fault. Ultimately, it was her decision. And you know, we're gonna miss her, but I'm really excited to hear what ideas you had for the other characters.
Ideas? I mean, yes, I have lots of ideas.
I'm so glad to hear that. So I know this is a daunting task, and theater really is a collaborative effort. So I want you to know that...
You two are late. The meeting started 30 seconds ago. Hurry it up. I gotta see a guy about a bunion.
Yeah, we'll be right there. I want you to know that I'm here for you, and I'd really like for you to be the sole designer of the costumes for this play. How does that sound?
I don't know. I mean, I would love to. I would love to, but what about my part in the play? What about the ensemble?
Yeah, I was thinking about that, and I want to make sure that you have the time that you need. So I've asked Abraham to step in and take your place in the ensemble. That way you won't be overcommitted.
Unless you want to take care of my bunion, I would recommend the two of you get in here. So we can start this meeting.
Yeah, all right, so we should probably get in there. Oh, I'm so glad that you're on board. I can't wait to see your final designs for Isla's costume.